So the camera is connected to this USB port of the laptop, and a File Explorer window constantly comes on and off. This is not happening if I connect the camera to other two USB ports behind the laptop. Okay, so let's power this off. Camera is off, File Explorer window disappears, and if I power it on, now it's not disappearing. Interesting. Now it disappeared once. And it's not doing the same thing if I connect it back there. So now it should be off. Yes, it's off. Let's connect it there. Power it on. USB connected. And here it's okay. No problems. Let's remove it. D is unavailable. So the drive letter D constantly appears and disappears. Now it's not moving at all.